And it's
Don't
so
rush.
great to be able to have dinner time. That's our tradition. We sit down, we finish eating, and then we're still at the dinner table for like 30 minutes talking.
Yes.
It's crazy. And guys, we got to clean up. We got to get going here. We got to go podcast. All right, number 9.
Detox your kitchen. Clean out all the processed foods that's in your pantry and in your fridge. Get rid of it as soon as possible and fill your kitchen with whole foods. The only pantry items that you should have in there is your canned beans, because in a pinch, if you don't have time, canned beans, go for it. But for the most part, you should have a nice green, a colorful refrigerator.
Yeah. And it's one of the best things you can do habit-wise is not fill with all that junk food like the chips, the cookies, from
Keep
whatever.
it out the house so you won't go to it.
Yeah, because it was so easy for us to go get some chips, some salsa, some potato chips, and crunch it down. Next thing you know, the whole bag's gone, and there's the weight.
Yeah, or the bars.
Everything. Yeah. What do you call those all Nutrigrain bars? Garbage.
Yes,
Oh, my.
crap.
But they're Nutrigrain. All right, number 10.
Celebrate your non-scale wins. You hear that? Don't look at the scale. Celebrate your wins by tracking your mood, your energy, and your strength. Don't look at the number on the scale, and even journal about it so you keep a track of it over the weeks or the months to see how you're feeling.
Yeah, if you're not going to celebrate your own wins, no one else will. Just talk yourself and pump yourself up with some good positive self-talk. You keep doing that, next thing you know, you're going to just be that person who's going to incorporate all these habits consistently, deliberately, and without any kind of distraction.
Yeah, and you'll feel good.
Feel good, and you're going to have that steady fat loss. You're going to have more energy. You're going to have less bloating, the better sleep, and the confidence rises. The brain fog clears. You know, you're going to be in control of your health and body again. I mean, I saw it with you.
I feel so much lighter and happier and more in control.
And don't you feel like your skin glows more than it did?
It glows better, and hair feels good. Hair is fuller, and I have energy to work out and to sling weights. Sling weights. I have more energy to do things, run around, run errands, and go, 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 go.
Yeah, so awesome. So overall, the 10 habits, what would you say the top 3 overall lessons from this?
Top 3 takeaways is whole foods beat processed foods every time. Don't fall for the greenwashing. Simple daily habits build lasting fat loss after age 40, and break free from frustration and finally feel amazing.
That is it. The 10 habits to allow you to lose that fat quickly. So choose one habit. Start today. Don't delay. Let us know in the comments which one you incorporate first. Also, subscribe to our channel.
Well, until next time, be well.
Take care.